kilograms. Okay, so I just showed you my screen, and I'm showing you the screen again. You are supposed to solve this one, number 11, in which they are saying 7,000 grams is equals to dash kg, kilogram. Okay, now you all know which sign do we use. Who wants to answer? Ayani, want to answer something? Want to say something, Ayana Shraf? Ayana Shraf, shake your head like this. Okay, Ayan, unmute yourself. Unmute yourself, Ayan.
मिस्टर बोर्ड पे लिख सकते हैं
Sorry.
बोर्ड पे लिख सकते हैं ये बोर्ड पे सॉल्व कर सकते हैं
Yeah, sure. It's absolutely fine. You can solve it anywhere. Okay. Yes, Hiba, you want to answer any question?
Miss division.
Division sign. Excellent, Hiba. Hiba, आपको समझ में आ रहा है? Is everyone getting it? Is it clear to everyone? सबको समझ में आ रहा है? माहीन, आपको confusion थी, आपको समझ आया? Okay, Mahin, I can see that thumbs up. Rehan, where are you? I can't see you. Okay, everyone. I'll be putting your homework on University, and you can assess your homework from there and complete the worksheets as your class is about to end. So you can take the worksheets from there. Okay, so you can see the worksheets and complete it. And from Monday, on Monday, I want everyone to sit with a rough copy. Apni rough copy, your pencil, your rough copy, your pencil, your eraser, your complete pencil box. And I don't want your camera to be, moving like this. I want everyone to sit straight the way I am sitting. जैसे मैं बैठी हूँ, जैसे ज़ैनब बैठी हैं, जैसे अयान अशरफ बैठे हैं, जैसे और कोई सही से नहीं बैठा हो. माहीन, आपका कैमरा भी हिलता रहता है. I don't want anyone to, the camera moving here and there. No. If you are using your phone, on the phone you're taking the class, you are supposed to, keep it like this. अपने सामने रखें ताकि मुझे नजर आए आप. ठीक है? Or because the topic which we will be learning on Monday is important. And some of the questions will be coming in your final term. Okay? So I want everyone to sit with the rough copy, okay, and with your proper complete pencil box. Is it clear to everyone? Okay. So have a good weekend. Have a wonderful weekend, and complete your homework, which will be uploaded soon on the software university. And just secondly, what I wanted to say is yes. Take your classes regularly, because everything you learn something new. Okay, I want every one of you to take the class and learn something new every day. Is it clear? Any questions, any confusion, any question, any confusion? If you have any question or any confusion, you can raise your hands. There are 5 minutes. I will be answering your questions. Okay, Lishba, you want to answer any question? You want to ask a question? Okay, sorry. Yes, unmute yourself, Lishba. Yes.
टीचर,
Yes.
ये जो आपने अभी वर्कशीट कराई है वो होमवर्क है?
Yes, we did some questions of both of the worksheets. Rest of the questions it is your homework. Some of the students did complete their homework on time, but some of them did not, because they were confused with this topic. But I hope after this class, after taking this class, everyone is clear with how to calculate kilograms and grams, everything. Okay? So ISN, you want to say something? SN, you want to say something? SN, say yes. Okay. Unmute yourself, SN.
मिस, मैं ये कह रहा था, मुझे सिर्फ ये कंफ्यूजन आती है कि कैसे करा जाता है ये तो मुझे आता है कि करते कैसे, पर इनको इनका असल तरीका क्या है ये मुझे नहीं आता है। ऐसे ही मैंने रिश्ता मारा।
इनका असल तरीका ऐसे ही है बेटे, इनका असल तरीका यही है कि जब हम किलोग्राम्स को ग्राम्स में जाएंगे तो हम जो है वो क्या करेंगे, क्या नाम है, किलोग्राम्स को ग्राम्स में जाएंगे तो मल्टीप्लाई करेंगे, और जब इसका वाइस वर्सा, मतलब जब हम ग्राम्स में किलोग्राम्स में जाएंगे तो डिवाइड करेंगे। इसका असल तरीका जो है ना वो यही है। गुड। एसन, clear to you? Thumbs up. I want to see the thumbs up. Okay, Essen. Thank you, Essen. Okay, everyone. Is it clear? Is there any confusion? Raise your hand. Raise your hand. Maheen, you want to say something, Maheen? Maheen, you want to say something? Maheen, आपको कुछ कहना है बेटे? Okay, unmute yourself, Maheen. अनम्यूट कीजिए खुद को।
टीचर मैं कह रही हूँ वो होमवर्क किसको सबमिट करवाना है? होमवर्क सबमिट
on the software, on the school software.
बेस्ट सॉफ्टवेयर
That is यूनिवर्सिटी के नाम से आपकी आप
टीचर ग्रुप पे हम लोग सबमिट करवा सकते हैं ग्रुप पे?
नो नो
टीचर हम ग्रुप पे सबमिट करवा सकते हैं
नो
होमवर्क?
नो नो नो
नो
बेटे, नो यस नो
बट व्हाई?
No, I want everything on University. I want everything, all the submissions of the homework on University. Submit the homework over there. I will be checking it. Yes, Faik wants to say something. Faik, answer the unmute yourself, Faik.
मिस संडे और सैटरडे की क्या छुट्टी है?
Yes, you have a weekend. You have holidays. Saturday and Sunday. I will not be taking your class on Saturday and Sunday. बेटे वी आर इन द स्कूल, ये आपका स्कूल टाइम है राइट? तो हम स्कूल, जब हम स्कूल जाते थे तब हम क्या टाइम होता था हमारा? मंडे टू फ्राइडे। अभी भी हम मंडे टू फ्राइडे जाएंगे, सैटरडे संडे हमारी छुट्टी है, ठीक है? Okay, so let's end the class. Take care of yourself. Have a wonderful weekend. We'll be meeting on Monday with something new, something interesting. And one more thing. One more thing is that I want every one of you to read that GK worksheet pack very carefully, because on Monday I will be taking your quiz of GK. Quiz of GK will be conducted on Monday. Quiz of GK, आपका GK का quiz है Monday को. You are supposed to read the complete chapter, very thoroughly, very carefully, and then on Monday I will be taking your quiz. Okay, everyone is having the worksheet pack of GK, right? Just read all about deserts of Pakistan. Read them very carefully, because on Monday you have the quiz of GK. Okay, it's clear to everyone? Ayan Abbas, you want to say something? Ayan, आपको कुछ कहना है? Ayan Abbas, I am unmuting you. Unmute करें Ayan Abbas खुद को. Your Urdu class has been started. I want to end the class. Yes,
टीचर जब मैं क्विज फिल कर रहा हूँ तो उसमें डेट अनवैलिड आ रही है।
बेटे आप देखिएगा कि पहले उसमें ना आपको पहले मंथ डालना है, फिर डेट डालनी है जिस दिन आप सॉल्व करें, उसके बाद आपको ईयर डालना है। आप देखिएगा कि आप कुछ गलत तो नहीं डाल रहे हैं, बिकॉज एवरी स्टूडेंट हैज कंप्लीटेड द क्विज, आपके पास से इशू आ रहा है, तो आप जरा उसको केयरफुली फिल करेंगे ना तो आपको समझ में आएगा बेटे, क्योंकि सब बच्चों ने करा है। और आई डोंट नो व्हाई यू आर यस बेटे।
टीचर मैं आपको पिक्चर भेजूंगा, आप देखिएगा।
अच्छा चलें देखते हैं, हम फिर उसको सॉल्व कर लेंगे, ठीक है? Because most of the students have completed their quiz. I don't know why there is an issue with your quiz. I don't know why.
Teacher, what is the date of quiz?
Which date, bete? I conducted the quiz yesterday. I conducted the quiz yesterday. मैंने सब बच्चों का quiz कल लिया था. quiz कल हुआ था. Okay, now Allah Hafiz everyone. Your Urdu class has been started. Go and join that class. Allah Hafiz. Take care. Have a wonderful weekend.